Hey guys, what's up? It's Katie Austin here and welcome to your daily workout. Today's workout is going to be an express wrist weight arm routine. So I have 1.5 pound wrist weights. Y'all can use anywhere between, I would say, 1 pound to 3, and trust me, you'll really feel the difference with just 1 pound on your wrists. So I'm going to just put them on right there. By the way, if you guys don't have wrist weights at home, you guys can actually still do this with just your body weight. But these wrist weights are gonna really add a challenge. So we're gonna just start right here and start simple. So inhale and let it go into some bicep curls. Now keeping those elbows in towards your hips, what I want you guys to do is slightly bend your knees right there and just tap your shoulders just like that. I want you guys, your shoulders down and back away from your neck. Inhale and exhale, great. Just getting started right here. What I want from you guys as you finish that last curl, we're gonna come out to the curl. Great, so 2 moves in 1, bicep to serve the platter. Wonderful. Nice work, keeping your core nice and tight. Now, some of these moves, if you're not doing them with me, they don't look like much, but as we start to do them for like 25 seconds each, and we're not taking breaks, you will start to really feel this. Here we go. For 4, 3, good posture. 2, keep those arms out on this last one. Finish the curl to hold, and we're going to just do some arm circles. Great. We're gonna really hit all angles of our upper body in this, from our triceps, biceps, shoulders, chest. Also, in turn, just getting a little bit of our core as well, because we'll keep it nice and tight. The hips are tucked under. Great, now let's reverse those arms the other way. How are we feeling so far? We're starting to little feel it. Hopefully, your upper body is activating right here. You're starting to feel that burn. Trust me, it's gonna get a lot harder. Here we go. For 6, 5, 4, 3, leave your arms up, same thing, shoulder tap. Now, raised bicep curls, we're just tapping those shoulders. Breathe in and exhale, great. Wonderful, hopefully you guys are feeling this. Squeeze those biceps. If you guys don't, really make sure you're giving it 110% effort. For 7, 6, great work. Shoulders down, I have to remind myself a lot. Good posture. For 4, 3, 2, keep those arms out on this last one. Don't let them down, bear hug, and out. You guys can feel free to speed this up just a little bit, but what I want you guys to focus on is squeezing those back muscles as you come back. Making sure you have a slight bend in your lower half as well, and you guys should really start to feel this. If not, again, 110% effort with those back muscles, opening up those chests, but at the same time squeezing those shoulder blades together. Wonderful. Great. Nice work. For 4, 3, adding that same bounce. Don't forget about the lower half. And we have cross, great. Diagonal reach up and over. Still with that bounce in your lower half. Stretching out that side body and reach, great. Really lengthen that side body, your arms, and lengthen your fingertips up and across, great. Here we go, just a little bit of low impact cardio arms right here. Awesome. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, take both arms up, tricep extensions. I'm telling you, no breaks in this workout. Our breaks are if you're going to the next move. I mean, if you guys really need, feel free to just shake out your arms every once in a while, but at the same time, try to keep up with me. Nice work. So you see here, my elbows are on a hinge. I'll turn to the side. Elbows are on a hinge. You're keeping your elbows right next to your beautiful face. Hips are tucked under, knees are just a little bit bent right here. Great, squeeze the back of your arms, your triceps. That's where we're hitting right now with these tricep extensions. You got it. Almost there. Then we're gonna work our chest up next. I'm telling you, we're getting every angle of our upper body in this. For 3, 2, hold in 1, down, open that chest. Great. Again, yes, your chest is nice and open right here, but just with those bear hugs, you're also squeezing those shoulder blades together as you come back. Awesome. I just love wrist and ankle weights because they can really travel with you well. I mean, especially if you guys are just driving to work per se. You guys can do so many standing arm exercises with your wrist weights. Also put them on your ankles. Oh my gosh, also my arms are like noodles right now. You can also use them anytime, really anywhere. Oh my gosh. You got it. 3. Hold those arms and elbows out in 2. And in 1, from here, we're down and right back up. Little chicken wing. So pretend like you're pressing something down and then right back up. You got this. Oh my goodness. Anyways, what I was saying, the versatility with wrist and ankle weights, also a band is something else that I love, so you guys can really work your entire body with small, light toning movements. Great, we have 8. Hopefully your shoulders are on fire right now, because mine are. I'm trying so hard to like remember what I'm saying, because this burns. For 3, 2, keep those arms at a 90-degree angle. We're pressing in and right back out. Awesome. 90-degree angle with your elbows still. This is great for your shoulders. Again, good posture. Let's kind of fix our form right here. So my hips are tucked under. I just brought my feet a little bit more towards hip distance instead of too wide. I want to make sure you guys are holding. You're squeezing at the top. Nice work. Great. 7, 6, 5, you got it. 4, 3, we're gonna work those triceps again. 2, take those weights back, just like that. I'll turn to the side, and we're just gonna pulse up, giving our shoulders a little bit of a break right here. Hinging forward just a little bit with your knees bent. Beautiful. Abs in tight. Get those weights up there. Squeeze your triceps. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. You got it. 7, 6, 5. Squeeze even tighter. 4, 3, 2, dead bugs, and 1. Holding. Swing those arms opposite across. Slow swing though. And we have that dead bug. Wonderful. Now what I want you guys to do is focus on the shoulder mobility here. As you sweep across, you're keeping the rest of your body nice and stable and still. Wonderful. We're just holding at the top. Hold for an extra 1, 2 to really make sure you're feeling this. Great, straight spine. I always have to remind myself. Awesome. 4, 3, 2, we're holding that still, that same position, hinging forward with the arms, the knees bent, and now we just have a back fly. So we're right here, back fly it out. Inhale and exhale, great. We have some cardio just to finish it out right here. So one of the last slow toning moves, and then we're just going to get in some movement next, a little bit more cardio style. So give me 6, really squeeze the back, squeeze. 4, 3, 2, great work, and 1. I'm telling you, we are not taking a break. Standing crunches, follow me right here. Inhale and exhale, press to the sky and get that knee up there. Wonderful, just a little bit of ab work as well. Nice work. Exhale every crunch. for 4, 3, 2, diagonal reach in front of you, reach. Great. Shaking it off just a little bit and really lengthen those fingertips forward. Get closer to me, reach. You're pulling a rope across. Yes, stay a little low. Get it even lower right here. Here we go. Beautiful. Almost there. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Big shoulder openers right here. I want you guys to take those arms and weights back, really stretching out those chests. Beautiful. You guys can even bend those elbows, taking it back. Inhale and exhale. Great. For 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bingo, baby. I love you guys. Woo, how'd it feel? Hopefully you felt that, because I did. My upper body, woo. And again, we got every major muscle group from our triceps to our biceps to our shoulders, our back, and a little bit of our abs as well. Again, if you guys didn't really feel that, and you're like, I need a little bit more of a challenge, up those weights. That's all it takes, up those weights. These were a little bit more lighter weights, but more reps to get that long, lengthening, upper body lean look. So hopefully you guys really enjoyed it. Again, if not, challenge yourself, up those weights, baby. I love y'all, and I'll see you in your next daily workout. Mwah.